if f of x equals natural log of x over x, and the integral of f of x dx, or find integral of f of x dx with the f of 1, the integral of 1 equals 2 for x greater than 0. Okay, so to start off with, so it's saying find the integral of this guy, and then when you find an indefinite integral, you're given like a constant c at the end. And we'll use that to find out what that c actually equals. So, how to solve this guy? So a couple of things that pop through your head. First thing you always want to look through is substitution. Which part of the title? It's like, okay, it probably is substitution. And what keys you in on substitution is you want to look for something that is a derivative of the other thing. So for this example, the derivative natural log of x will be 1 over x. And so since you have the I guess the normal f of x there, and then the derivative of such there, substitution is going to be a good candidate. You also might kind of cue on integration by parts, because he's like, all right, we actually see two different things together. That's a good feeling, but no. And if you're torn between integration by parts and substitution, try substitution first. It's easier to do and quicker to fail at. So if you're wrong, you'll waste less time. Or if you try integration by parts first, that fails, you wasted a whole bunch of time. So rewrite this guide, kind of give us a little bit of perspective in life. Whoop. F of x equals natural log of x over x. We'll do the integral of such dx. Change colors to show that we're mentally changing gears. I don't know if it's a higher gear or a lower gear. Not sure. So we say that u equals something, part of the equation. And du will then be 1 over x dx. Because we can see that 1 over x is the derivative of natural log of x. That's why we choose u to be natural log of x. And therefore, this will equal integral u. Yes, du. Which will equal u squared over 2. There we go. Plus c. Got it. And I'm not sure if we might not have to convert this back to x. Nope, because that 1 right there is in terms of x. So we need to convert it back to x. Good call. Thanks. So then we'll have natural log of x quantity squared over 2 plus c equals big F of x, which is the integral. So we know that f of 1 equals natural log of 1 squared over 2 plus c, and that equals 2. Do some quick canceling right here. Natural log of 1 is 0. 0 squared is 0. 0 divided by 2 is still 0. Therefore, c equals 2. I can have a better equal sign. There we go. C equals 2. So we go back up here, maybe there. Right here is good. So then, we have, let's see here, f of x equals, let's see, this one right there, natural log of x squared over 2 plus 2. This one right here. They probably mean capital F of x. So right here, natural log of x, quantity squared over 2 plus 2. Yep. And the others are just, ooh, that one's interesting. Wonder how they, yeah, that one's just totally wrong. But right here, this is the answer. That's how you do integration by substitution. And when you're given a point for the integral, it allows you to narrow down what that constant c is to an actual value. And the way you do it is you just plug it in. And that is how this problem is solved.